Need more rosemary. Well, rosemary is just really, it's like a bush that you pick the stems off of, and sometimes you can get these, and then if you plant them, you might actually get a little rosemary plant, but it's highly likely. Let me get that garlic going. I'm gonna put a little more wine in here because you want the pan to be hydrated throughout the whole thing. Because if you don't, the pan really gets messy and sticky, and you really don't like that. Because next thing you cook, you're gonna taste, wine, and if it's, I don't know, onions, it's just gross.